Bollywood star Salman Khan has been issued an arms license after he applied for a gun license for self-protection in the backdrop of threat letters that he received recently. Salman had received a death threat from gangster Lawrence Bishnoi's gang, following which he met Mumbai Police Chief Vivek Fansalkar over the threat letter to him and his father. There had been reports that Salman has upgraded to an armoured and bulletproof Land Cruiser ever since the threats. Notably, Salman and his father Salim Khan had received a death threat on June 5th, days after Punjabi singer Sidhu Moosewala was shot dead in Punjab's Mansa district on May 29th. As per the information received from Maharashtra Home Department, the reason behind the Bishnoi gang threatening actor Salman Khan and his father Salim Khan was to create an atmosphere to show their power. This is not the first time Salman has received threats. In 2018, when the trial of the black buck poaching case was underway, Bishnoi had allegedly threatened the actor because in his community, black bucks are considered sacred.